Good day, stock market traders and stock market investors. This is Total Investor, YouTube favorite investment channel. This channel is dedicated to finding opportunities in the stock market, both bullish and bearish, using technical analysis. And that means we bring you opportunities by looking at stock charts. I mentioned over the weekend that we had we're looking mostly bearish, and unless we had some kind of an opportunity or a change in the market direction, that would be like a very big problem. Well, today we got a little bit of good news, so hopefully this can change. This can continue, and there will be more and more opportunities out there. Please keep in mind everything I say is for educational purposes only. It is not to be construed as financial advice. And also, please subscribe to this channel. That helps me and helps you. And please watch the entire video, not just the first 30 seconds. It's not going to do you any good. So with that, let's get started. The very first chart that I bring you is American Eagle Outfitters, AEO. I drew a line here at just above $15 level, where it was a level of resistance back in mid or early April. That continued on up until just last week, when it became a level of support after it corrected from 17.5. So we had a very nice correction. It bounced off of that level of support, moved up nicely for 4 days. We have 4 green candles, and everything is looking good. Today we've got some more volume above that. The candle is above the 10-day and the 50-day moving averages. That's a big plus. And we've got the RSI that is moving higher. We're at 48 now, just an inch below the $50 50 level. But this is a very nice swing trade that you need to look at. Okay, so again, keep that in mind. AEO. Next, we've got XLXs. EXEL is a stock symbol. This stock has topped out on the 1st of September, had a nice pullback. We've got the stock that is still above both the 10-day and the 50-day moving average. That's a big plus. We're showing early signs that we got strength moving higher, broke below its trend line, the RSI, and it's above 50. So does that mean that it will break higher? Well, likely. It will break this downtrend line and move higher. So this is a very good swing trade candidate. Put this one on your watch list, EXEL. Next, James River Group Holdings, JRVR. I've got a downtrend line from the high that I made in early June down through late July, and it finally broke its trend line on Friday. Continued another green day today. That is all good. Up above the 10-day moving average, just slightly below the 50-day moving average. That'll come with due time. And look up here, the RSI is way ahead. It's up above the 50 at 57. Volume is still slightly anemic. Certainly not what I would want. I want a little bit higher, but as it is right now, we're still looking good on James River. Okay, JRVR. Next is Cosmos Energy, KOS. I drew a triangle here that's been forming here for a couple of weeks. Have found a level of support here, jumped above that, broke through the trend line that I drew that has been hit several times here, going back to early September. The stock broke above that. It's above the 10-day moving average and above the 50-day moving average. And we also broke the RSI trend line that was going downwards, and that is above 50. So that's all good. The stock volume is good at 4 million shares, so everything's a go with Cosmos Energy, and it looks like they are in the right industry. Next, we've got Max Linear, MXL. This is a pattern that I really like. It's a bullish divergence. We've got the stock making lower lows, However, look up here, the RSI making higher lows. That, again, bullish divergence. It just means that the stock is sort of losing strength on the downside, which is if we want to pick it up, this is what we want to see. Okay, and we want to see it first. We want to see it crossing the 10-day, and eventually it'll get to the 50-day moving average. And so that'll be a sign that it wants to move higher. Plus, we got the RSI that is looking in the right direction. Hopefully, that will be the buy signal when it crosses above 50. Okay, so put Max Linear on your watch list, MXL. Next is C Limited, SE. We have here another bullish divergence. This one not so obvious. It's been flat here. It was hit a bottom in late August and hit it 3 trading days ago, bounced off. But look at the RSI. That is moving higher. Okay, that's what we want to see. Not quite at the trigger line here, but we're just below that 48. And so we're almost there. The stock is above the 10-day and not quite at the 50. So this goes on your watch list, almost there. SE. Next. Nope, that was it. Okay, so we only had 6 stocks today. Hopefully these will turn into some nice winners. Again, that depends on the general market as a whole. Hopefully that will happen, where we get the general market turning up, and we'll find more and more opportunities. So again, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel, comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say, and a big upvote. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.